Go, do it, look it up. Go.
Alright, fuck it.
Grand Canyon. Dam.
We should have enough time to do both, so let's just go to the dam. And I think there's service at the dam. I hope so. I'm gonna hope. Alright. Let's see. I don't have it on my maps, so I'm kind of just going by the signs. So I hope that I get this right. Hoover Dam Casino. Hoover Dam Lodge. Well, I suppose it'd be this way then.
All my exes live in Texas.
Hoover Dam to the left. Okay. Alright, let's go to Hoover Dam.
Okay.
Alright. Dude, I remember this. Oh my god, 4 years ago, I remember this. Holy shit. Hoover Dam Bridge Walkway. Okay.
Oh, is it just right here?
I think so. I think it's really close, if I remember correctly. It's just like right here. I think we go this Hoover Dam Bridge Walkway. Okay, so yeah, Hoover Dam this way. Okay. So it must just be like right here. I'm really hoping that service stays good.
We're about to find out. This is where your phone would come in handy to have both streams up.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I'm using maps on my phone. Which I'm not really using.
If I had something like that.
Oh, true.
Sick.
True. Oh, security check station. Ooh. Oh, because of terrorism. Oh, I probably shouldn't say that. They probably have like some fucking NSA fucking. Oh, they said terrorism. They're fucking. Check them real quick. Check up their assholes for COVID.
We gotta look at their butts.
Look at their butts.
Both streams look good as of right now.
Great.
Shit, I don't even know what my bitrate and shit's at.
I set mine to 480p because I assumed that there would be.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Yeah, mine's actually probably still set to 720.
Well, that's good because then you'll have really high quality.
Well, if it stays, I don't know.
You can always change it.
I noticed that, like, it's weird. Like, I don't believe in 5G, but for some reason, I do get service, a lot better service in other areas.
What do you mean you don't believe in 5G?
I just don't think that it's a real fucking thing that's making the service better. I don't think it's a fucking thing yet.
When it says 5G, you're not actually getting 5G. That's what you mean. You're getting like 4G, but like a better something or other.
Right.
Or something
it's
like.
just stupid. I don't know why they gotta fucking be like, it's better. Let's keep it up. You know?
It's oh wow, there's like a whole fucking checkpoint and shit. Okay, I'm turning down my alerts. Sorry, we have to like actually talk to like cops and shit right now. Oh, mask.
Oh, my speaker turned off. Of course it did.
Hello.
How's it going?
Sorry. Oh, sorry.
All windows down.
Oh, all windows down.
Never weapons in the vehicle.
No, sir.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Someone donated. I like to fart in the tub. God.
Battery 100%. Connected to.
I gotta get this speaker to not turn off randomly. I forgot how to do that. It's a new fucking speaker.
Do you have any weapons in the car? No. Okay,
I like
bye.
to fart in the tub. Yeah. Do you have any weapons in the car? Nope. All right, see ya.
How did terrorists get away with it?
Roll down all the windows.
Do you have any bumps? No.
No, not at all.
Okay, cool. That's fine. You can go on the plane. No problem. That's fine. Go for it.
All right.
You're right. Yeah. All right, cool. It looks like we're almost at the Hoover Dam. Great. Is that a goddamn?
Thank you. Since Spam mentioned Lake Surly Bones, you want to fish Lake Mojave on the 17th and 18th. I have a tournament there and it's my practice days. Lodging is covered. It's very close to Bullhead City and had cell coverage on my last trip.
Carnassus, I heard you before, and I'd totally be down. I can't think about that right now because like I'm like driving and I don't have access to like a phone, or, like my calendar, or anything like that. So just like let's talk about it once I'm like sat down somewhere. I can like think about this when I'm not like, ooh,
what?
ooh, cool. I don't know. It's just like a big old fucking bridge.
Oh, it
and
is a
shit.
big old bridge. Oh, cool.
That's cool.
Sick. Didn't you just change the Hoover Dam to the Hoover Bam? I like this.
This bridge is famous for being like fucking huge. I forget what it's called, but this bridge is like actually fucking super famous.
Hoover Bridge?
Maybe I forget. I don't know.
It's pretty sick.
That's the Hoover Dam though, right there.
Ah.
Yeah, cool, huh?
Ah. Is this the one that they use in like movies and shit?
Yeah, that's one they move.
That's why
Yeah.
I recognize it. Okay.
Yeah, it's one they move in movies and shit. Yeah. Sorry for people on my stream who are like, "What are you looking at? I can't see it." I'm sorry. Just give me a second when I stop, and I'll show you everything.
Show you everything.
Parking $10.
Oof.
If I remember correctly, there's parking over here too. If I remember correctly.
Look at these fucking power lines. That tripped me the fuck out. I was like, why are they falling over?
If I remember correctly, there's parking right over here as well, like that up there, or whatever. So I'm gonna check that out. I could just park in that $10 place. It's not a big deal, but.
Okay. Fancy.
Is your service fine still?
Yeah.
Really?
Apparently
Oh.
I'm just on LTE plus, but it's full bars. I mean, I guess bars doesn't really ever mean shit. Yeah.
Thank you. Look, Bone, I value our friendship, but I feel like you aren't responding to my invitations on this once-in-a-lifetime fishing trip. You'll never know the sweet taste of Wagyu ever again. So I ask you again, what time should I pick you up?
Alright, Carnassus, fuck, dude. Alright, whatever. Like, sure. Alright, I'm down. What the fuck? If you're gonna, like, bring our friendship into this shit, then fuck, okay, I'll go. Like, goddamn, dude. Fuck, dude. Like, you don't have to fucking threaten me with no Wagyu and no friendship. Like, goddamn, dude. Alright, sure, yeah. When do you want to go? I'm down. Sounds great.
Fuck, dude.
Okay, I think this is what it was. The free parking's over here, but we have to walk this thing.
Whatever.
Okay, or I could just go back to the $10 parking. I don't really care either way.
I don't really care either.
Okay.
Doesn't really bother me.
Well, I can't really turn around here, so we might as well just take a walk.
Take a walk.
No charge.
Pristine quality. Hell yeah.
So
Love
it's
it.
$10 to park here. Fuck, I'll just park here. Whatever.
Damn it.
Whatever. Fuck it. Who cares?
It's a dam.
Whatever, dude. Fuck it. Oh, sorry. Didn't see you there. Sorry about that.
Slow down, Junior buddy.
Sure. Okay.
People run in and out of these cars.
Okay.
It's $10.
Alrighty. You take card?
I do.
All right. Fantastic.
No pets, right?
No pets.
There you go.
Here you go. Oh, you want to do like that? All right.
Okay. I'll go get your receipt.
All right. Thanks.
No pets, just Bam. My pet bug. Oh, pet bug.
There you go. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Anywhere you like.
Alrighty.
True, I did not tell her about my pet bed bug. It's okay. It's a support animal.
You remember damn people? There's literally no one. I was looking and I wasn't going that fast. She's just fucking freaking out because her fat ass was inside her fucking chair in her fucking booth or whatever.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck,
Yeah.
dude? Like, if you're not in your fucking place doing your job, like, don't fucking yell at me.
Yeah, I know. What the fuck?
Whatever,
People
I don't
go,
care.
you gotta slow down. It's like, we just got into the parking lot. Like, all right, whatever.
I was literally going like 5 miles per hour, fucking lady.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab my camera.
Yeah, do so.
Fucking have stream as well.
I'm gonna probably go on 720p for you guys, I think.
You bringing your speaker?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, man.
Let me go on 720p really quick. Give me a second.
And usually those are much better kept. They'll get rid of them. Well,
How old is she?
she's not 30 yet.
Not 30 yet.
Hoover Dam.
If this go right to the last car, don't look back. Last car, right go. Where that white car turn it is, look on that thing.
Oh. Looks like Star Wars, right? Imagine building a dam. Imagine. Take your time, Bam. We appreciate you, Bam.
We appreciate you. Take your time. Take your time, man.
Take your time, Bam. It's all good.
Sick, dude.
Isn't that cool?
What the? Oh, that's creepy.
Ugh.
What's the giant hole?
Ugh, I don't like heights.
That's creepy as shit, dude. I don't like that hole over there.
Yeah, it's terrible. Okay, this is a very good sign. Last time I was here, I was barely able to get 480p. So,
Really?
yeah,
So you're in 720?
yeah.
Sick.
So that means that the Grand Canyon's probably definitely gonna be fine.
Well, when was the last time you were here? You were probably using a phone that was like 3G or some shit.
4 years ago,
Yeah.
4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah. You're probably still on like 3G or just getting 4G or whatever.
I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't know.
This is sick. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's the Grand Canyon, dude. I mean, it's the fucking Hoover Dam, dude.
Is this like an overflow
I don't know.
or some shit?
I know the water's super low. You can tell by the water line right there.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Looks like it's a bad thing.
Hoover Dam.
Oh, cool big blue door.
Big blue door. Hoover Dam.
Ah, fuck it, I'll take a picture of it.
Look at Bam. Bam, his natural habitat. Can go. Sorry. Look at Bam. Look at Bam taking pictures. Wide angle lens. Look at Bam taking pictures. Look at him go. Chick, chick. Wow. Chick, chick. Chick, chick. Chick, chick.
It's way too high. There we go.
Chick, chick. I wonder if there's fish in here.
I think there is, isn't there?
I don't know.
¿Un qué?
They want to label it as. Excuse me.
Sweet.
Míralo allá va, yo creo que ellos van a ir allá.
Sweet.
Sweet. Sweet.
There's fish in here.
Fish?
There's fish.
I mean, fish are good.
They are.
Is that right? You think that net's for the fish?
Yeah, it's for the fish.
That's sick. That's sick.
Estos yo creo que nomás vinieron a la no sé si llegan tomados, ¿no? Y se fueron para allá.
This dam is in Arizona, but 66% of its power goes to Southern California because we're coastal elitists. True. True. True.
Very true.
So very true.
Shit's so squeaky. It's squicky. Huh.
Look how big it is. I keep on wanting to say this is the damn Grand Canyon, but it's the damn Hoover Dam. It's the damn Hoover Dam. It's the damn Hoover Dam, guys. On average, 12 people fall into the Grand Canyon each year. So sad. True. True, but we're not at the Grand Canyon right now. We're at the Hoover Dam. Like, goddamn, dude. It's just sure a damn big thing. Like, goddamn, dude. Look at this big ass bridge. Yeah, it's surprising there isn't like any fucking shit here. Like you could just easily fall off of that. You know? It's like keep off wall, okay.
You're right. No, wow, this is
Bueno. Eh,
Oh, look at the dam.
there's no water.
Yeah, there's no water. But like goddamn, dude.
It's crazy.
Like goddamn.
Crazy.
Goddamn.
Crazy shit.
Goddamn. Why would no one spend $10 at parking and jump off? I'm sure they would. If you're gonna jump off, I don't care about $10. What the fuck? Just gonna take a picture like. Someone screenshot this. Does it look cool? I'm at the Hoover Dam. Does it look cool? We'll do it like that.
HDR. Hoover Dam.
Does this look cool?
It's cool.
Is it cool? Looks really cool. What? Nice. That was cute. Go on top of mountain, bone clanks.
Go on top of mountain.
Go on top of mountain. Okay.
Sick.
Can you do one with the bridge in the background now? Oh yeah, surely. Hold on, I got you.
Yeah.
Hold on. Hold on, party and jealous. I got you.
Fuck yeah.
Hold up. Huh. I'm gonna do one like. Or maybe a little bit stern.
Wow.
Tough American man at the American Hoover Dam.
He's tough.
It's tough, chat.
Spot metering is better fucking.
I like that.
Fuck, you want spot metering. There we go.
Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam.
Cute. Alright. Moving forward. To see more.
It's kind of weird. I think like half of this, like this side is Arizona, I'm pretty sure, and then it's over here is like Nevada or some shit.
Wait, what?
I think so.
Weird.
Because they have the Nevada time over there and the Arizona time over here. Yeah.
Interesting.
No andamos en la camioneta, está cuando allá arriba. Nosotros estamos a pie caminando.
Holy shit. This is a goddamn.
Can you go see the cool statues you passed by? Yeah, dude, they're over there. There's like a whole like historical information thing. And go see the historical information.
Bueno, no es de mí.
Oh wow. Even the restrooms look crazy in metal and shit. That's weird.
Cool door.
Yeah, it's really weird.
No sabía que se llamaba ropa cara.
Like, you know, it's like, goddamn, dude. Like, it's a big damn.
It's a big dam.
Like, damn it.
Oh, there's the water.
Oh, damn it. Oh, look at all the water. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
it looks so happy and watery.
Imagine Richie being here. Damn it. Damn it.
Damn it. It's pissed.
Oh, Jesus. It's like a little hole there. Oh, my God. I'll get such bad. I'm scared, dude.
Always tell me. You can always tell me.
Oh yeah.
Shocking there's a huge railing, right, dude? Like, dude, look, there's even a hole right here. Oh, wait, there's not a hole, never mind. It's just like an indent. But still, like, I'm getting the heebie-jeebies standing next to this thing. I don't really want to do that.
It's a little scary. But it looks amazing. It is amazing.
It is. This would be perfect if we can boogie out of here in a reasonable time and go to the Grand Canyon. I think this would be great.
All right. What do we all want to see here? Those statue.
I want to go see the statues, and then I'm sure by that time we'll be able to see ample amounts of natural beauty or whatever. It's not natural beauty. This is a man-made structure, but you get the idea. This thing used to be like way more interesting when like China didn't make like crazy dams and shit, you know?
Oh, they have like super.
Yeah, they have like what is that, like that Gorges Dam, the Three Gorges Dam or whatever the fuck or whatever. I guess it's still cool, but
Holding back what was once deemed the most dangerous river in the world, the mighty Colorado.
the mighty Colorado.
It's dangerous, huh?
I guess so.
As you look over the wall, this placid body of
Listen
water
to him.
doesn't appear to be dangerous.
No.
By building the dam here in Black Canyon, we backed up the Colorado River, creating this 110-mile-long man-made lake.
Oh.
With a
That's nice.
shoreline of 550 miles at full capacity,
Oh.
this was once the largest
Wow,
reservoir
driving
in
down
the
there
world.
must be interesting. It looks like it like goes through like
Yeah.
and
Under
shit.
the direction of Dr. Elwood Mead, who was commissioner of the Bureau of Reclamation
It
at
is
that
pretty
time.
beautiful. You
Yeah.
know what I thought, or what I think is interesting too, you see
Took
like
over
all
6
the,
years to build.
how the rock's discolored.
Yeah.
Where that's like probably where
It's the water line, yeah. Yeah.
Serving the south.
Yeah, totally.
Less.
Yeah.
Does it ever get back up there?
I'm sure it does.
Interesting.
Like, goddamn, dude.
It is a really cool sight.
It is. You know? Just makes you say like, you know, like, damn, you know?
Damn.
Like, damn. Like, goddamn, that's...
You guys are just as corny as me.
You gotta
It
do
is
it.
really cool.
It sure is.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Thanks for supporting Bone Clicks.
Oh, thank you so
That
much. I
canyon is
appreciate
so
that.
grand.
Thank you, thank you, thank
National
you.
Lampoon's Scene remake, anyone?
Melting ice caps to bring that water line up. Oh, yep, totally. Totally. Mm-hmm. Oh, official Hoover Dam memorabilia. Oh my god, this is crazy. Look at that. Are we going on the dam tour? No, we're not going on the dam tour. We don't have time for the dam tour, and the dam tour goes under the dam. So that would be no service, unfortunately. Apologies. Hoover Dam.
It's cooler and cooler as you walk around.
Right? I want to see those cool little statue things.
Yeah.
Like, what's up with that shit? Oh, yeah, there they are. There's the statues. Cool shit, yeah. Nice green screen? I know. I spent a lot of money on this. Look at the men's restroom. It looks all cool and gold and shit. I really like the style of everything here. It has like really interesting, like, I don't know what you call that, like Art Deco or something like that style. It's really interesting.
It's got the like this rustic green shit too. It kind of reminds me of Washington D.C. in a way.
Yes.
Oh yeah, look at this view.
Oh my god, this is a crazy view. Wow. Woo-wee.
Holy shit.
That's something.
It's awesome, isn't it?
It sure is.
Just look at it.
Yeah. Wow, it's amazing.
Signs of the Zodiac.
I'm gonna go look at these statues. I wonder if these were bronze before.
Wonder what?
I wonder if these were bronze before. Or I guess they probably still are, but now they're all green.
Wait, is that what it turns to?
Yeah, bronze does that with.
Green's out.
Yeah, that's why the Statue of Liberty is green. But I don't know if that was originally green or just turned that way. Yeah, yeah.
So that roof piece was probably bronze at one point.
Yeah, I don't know.
Figures of the Republic, which were sculpted by Oscar J.W.
Highest bridge in the world. Oh, this is the highest bridge in the world, apparently.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's interesting. Oh, no, sorry, not copper. Copper rust or whatever the fuck. I don't know, whatever it is. Copper or bronze or whatever the fuck. Copper oxide, there you go. I like these little statues.
That's cool.
At first glance, one is usually drawn to the best of
Wait, what was she doing?
displays the American flag and the band.
Oh, wow, it's a flagpole up there. Holy shit. Holy fuck, dude.
Above the sculpture, you see a golden ball. The ball points to where the center of our sun was.
Yeah.
November 30th, 1935. The day President
What up?
Roosevelt
Yeah. Colorado. Oh, Utah. Arizona.
on the Toronto floor you were standing on.
Tabasco, cool. I like how California is like the main one. Like, what?
Yeah, it's got the bears.
Like, California's got the best thing, and it's in the center and everything.
It's because California was legit, dude.
It is fitting that the flag of our country should fly here in honor of those men who, inspired by a vision of lonely lands made fruitful, conceived this great work, and of those others whose genius and labor made that vision a reality. Hell yeah, dude.
For creating the celestial chart, according to the artist, was that he believed that someday,
Heck yeah.
somehow, future civilizations would find their way here,
Heck yeah, dude.
and with no other means of communicating, might look upon this monument and determine the exact date on which the engineers and craftsmen of our culture completed it. To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch, or wheel of time. The yellow arc on the floor is actually a complete circle, showing 26,000 Earth years, or one great year, or a platonic year in astronomy terms.
It's a big circle? What is it? It's a big circle.
Big.
Marked on the yellow band are significant historical periods, starting with the completion of the Eastern Pyramids in 2700 BC,
Does,
when Thuban was the North Star of the ancient Egyptians.
wait, it has historic events on the thing?
Egypt.
Oh.
Next is
Does it have all the most historic events?
the birth of Christ, starting the
Does it have the day Trump was born?
and progressing to the actual day and time of dedication, September 30th, 1935. By following the Wheel of Time around
Wheel of Time.
the back of the monument, you will locate Vega, which has become the North Star thousands of years into the future.
Oh, wow. Oh.
The igneous rock that the winged figures of the Republic rest upon is called black diorite.
About this stuff.
Like all the building materials used in the construction of the dam, this rock came from one of the then 48 states. More precisely, it came from a location near Santa Ana, California.
Santa Ana. It feels like Santa Ana.
This is Santa
The
Yeah.
winged figures are made
Feels
of
like Santana.
statuary bronze.
This is Santa
The
Ana,
castings
dude.
are
Yeah.
over 30 feet tall, weigh over 4 tons.
4
The
tons.
largest monumental bronzes ever cast in the United States.
Oh, they are bronze. Monumental bronze. Told you.
The artist said the building of Hoover Dam belongs to the sagas of the daring.
Wow.
The sculptor, therefore, gave the winged
Oh, look at this. Oh,
bronzes guard the flag.
there he is.
Oh, that's
There's
you.
my boy, Aquarius.
That's you.
Yep. Where you at? Where are you again? I forget.
Cancer.
Cancer. Okay, let's go find the crab.
To symbolize the readiness for defense of our institutions and
This
keeping
asshole.
our spiritual dignity ever ready.
Hey, Bam, it's me. I'll pinch you. I got a hard shell and a little dick. Don't want to let anybody in.
Symbolism directly in front of the monument
Leo.
is the American ball.
Virgo, the Virgin, although I've never met one that is.
It is
Oof.
supporting a shield composed of 13 red and white stripes. These stripes represent the 13 original states, with a blue bar uniting the shield and representing Congress. The shield is born on the breast of the eagle, without any other support, to denote that the United States ought to rely on its own virtue. The motto of the United States, E pluribus unum, out of many one, is inscribed on the scroll found in the
Oh, is that fucking Dr. Elwood Mead?
Yeah. It's the guy they named the lake after.
Mead.
Yeah. In memory of our fellow men who lost their lives in construction of this dam. Oh, damn.
Mr. Mead.
Wow. Look at this. They died to make the desert bloom. That's interesting. Wow. Oops. Interesting. Very interesting. That's crazy.
I couldn't imagine like working on something like this, being like, all right, we're gonna stop a crazy river,
Right?
like being crazy, and we're gonna build this giant wall in the middle of it.
All right, remember that river that's fucked us for the entirety of human civilization? We're just gonna stop that with some stone and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, no problem.
You might die working on this, but whatever. Fuck it, sounds great.
Sounds like a lot of people died working on this thing.
I guess so. I'm not laughing at their deaths, but it's just like, Jesus, like,
Damn it.
that really sucks.
Yeah. All right, well, I guess let's
Dr. Breen, find Dr. Breen.
I guess let's get to the Grand Canyon, eh?
Yeah, let's get to that canyon.
Before it gets too late.
Get to that canyon.
I should really try and make sure I can purchase the tickets and everything before we get all the way out there.
Oh, you need tickets for the Grand Canyon?
Okay, so here's the thing. The Grand Canyon is a national park, and even though it is a national park, there is an entrance fee of like $35 or something like that.
Shit.
But we're not going to the national park. We're going to this part of the Grand Canyon that's owned by an Indian tribe or whatever, which they call the west end of the Grand Canyon. The reason we're going there is because the last time I went to the Grand Canyon... Okay, first of all, the reason we're going there is because it's the closest to Las Vegas. And, I didn't want... The other one's 4 hours away. The south entrance is like 4 hours away, and that's the only other one that's open right now because of COVID and because of the time or whatever.
Yeah.
And also because the last time I went to the Grand Canyon, I went to the west end, or the west side where the Indian reservation is, and it had service. So that's the only area that I'm sure has service, and it's $45 to get in. So it's basically the same as the other one, and I know it has service, and it's closer, and like all other stuff. So basically it's like we get there, and then we buy a ticket or whatever, and then we take like a little tram, and it goes up to like this little Indian reservation place, and then it goes to the Grand Canyon. That's also where they have the sky view. I don't know if you ever heard of this. At the Grand Canyon, they have this thing called sky view where there's like a glass bottom where you walk over the Grand Canyon or whatever.
What?
Yeah, but that's
creepy.
It costs a lot of money, and you can't bring your cell phone when you do it. So I thought there was no point in doing it because they make you like buy their photos or whatever the fuck it is. So
Bring in your own cameras or anything?
yeah, you can't. So that's why I've never done it, and also because I'm terrified of heights.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I don't like heights either.
So anyways, that was my plan on what to do for the Grand Canyon. So hopefully that works.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, if you think the views here are amazing, holy shit, wait for the Grand Canyon.
I can't wait.
The Grand
Never
Canyon's
seen it.
fucking breathtaking. But like, You have to fucking be careful.
Why?
Because you can like legitimately die there at the Grand Canyon. Like there is like very little actual railing to like stop people from fucking dying.
All right. I mean, are we gonna be going on like crazy paths or something? Hey.
Not necessarily, but you just need to be careful. Lots of people die just like fucking like, oh, I'm gonna take a picture, and then they don't look, and then like they fucking fall off and they die.
Oh shit. Okay.
Like I think every year like 15 people die at the Grand Canyon.
What?
Yeah. And mostly from like selfies on the edge and like all sorts of shit like that.
Oh no.
Yeah. So yeah, just be careful once we get there.
I'll have to.
I basically,
I just have to be very, very aware.
if you were drunk, Bam, I probably wouldn't have said we should go.
Oh fuck no. This isn't drunk person thing. Like imagine. Wow, look at that water.
Wow, look at that water. Wow, look at that water. Wow,
There's
just
a
look at it.
cubby hole down there.
Wow, just look at it.
You know, this is sober fun.
You know what else I like about this place? Most people aren't wearing a mask. Ayo.
Heyo. Fuck COVID.
Like pretty much no one's wearing a mask. This is great. I love it. I can actually fucking breathe, and no one's telling me to fucking wear a mask. It's great.
Dude, you're like out in the fucking open here.
Yeah. You are out in the open. It's like there's no reason to fucking. I mean, but in Disneyland, you're fucking out in the open. It's like, oh, where am I? But I guess that's different because there's a lot more people there, and you're in lines and shit sometimes.
Yes. Yes, we're going to the Grand Canyon next.
Yes.
First time I've ever been there.
Yes.
I'm hoping to maybe get like a drone flyby of it. I think that would be cool.
I'd be surprised if they let you fly drones over there, but
Really?
we could always see. Texas and Florida are lifting mask mandates. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Makes sense for Florida. No one was wearing one most of the time anyway.
Yeah, true.
Well, I mean, they kind of were. I guess that was more in like the touristy areas, though. When we went to like downtown Orlando or whatever, and everyone was just like, "Wow,
Wow.
it's pretty sick."
Most national parks ban drones now. Oh,
Fuck.
that sucks. Damn it. God, the selfie stick's fucked.
God, dude, people
Shakes.
People really fucked up that shit for all of us.
Yeah.
It's like, learn to fly the thing before you fucking go out and do shit with it.
Look how much my selfie stick's shaking. It's like wobbly. It's too bad. I have to get a new one of these. But native reserves don't give a fuck. Oh yeah, good point. We are going to it. It's not we're going not going to a national park.
Oh,
We're going to the native reserve thing.
okay.
So maybe that's different.
I'm just gonna pop it out and get a few fucking flybys, get some cool views,
Yeah.
and then just put it away.
They also banned sick people with COVID. Oh, good. I think that's probably just as effective as them asking when we came in here. Do you have any weapons?
Yeah,
Nope.
yeah, exactly.
You have any weapons?
Absolutely
Are you sick with
effective.
COVID? Nope. Okay, go right in. I believe you.
So true.
Thank you for taking us here. Oh yeah, no worries. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool spot, Bones.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, see now Bam's happy you came along. Yeah.
Something I haven't seen before. Seen in the movies.
Yeah.
Like, no, you know, there's no way. Like, what dam have I seen that I thought was this dam?
Bam's getting happy.
It was probably one of the stupid ones in Washington State.
He's got a belly full of chicken. He saw the dam. Yeah.
Wants to come out already.
Yeah.
I miss my bidet.
Oh man, damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
Alright, guys. Always remember. Oh, wait. Remember. Be careful. God damn. When can I see it again? Oh, could you see it from the other side of the bridge? That's so scary. It's that fucking hole, dude.
That hole, dude.
Cosmic butthole. Cosmic butthole. Dude, fuck that. Whatever that is, I don't like it. The dark disappears to some. It's like an earth vagina.
Earth vagina.
Earth vagina. Scary.
Never been to part of Canada. I left my speaker on top of the car.
Oh
Whoops.
my God, you were so lucky. So lucky. Oh my God.
We've been
Fly
TTS
drone
on
into
Saturday.
hole.
It's a lie.
Could have flew the drone into the hole. Damn it. That would have been sick.
Battery 100%. Connected to Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G.
Oh my God, please don't close on me. What the fuck's wrong with you? Okay.
Christmas iPhone.
Christmas iPhone. Okay, really quick. I need a burger. Oh, fuck yeah. How do you do that again? To tell this thing to never turn off. I forgot how to do that. It's in the Bluetooth settings, right? I believe it is. Let's see. Audio, contact, access, no calls. I forgot how to make it do that. Maybe you have to do it in the app? Yeah, you do it in the app, huh?
What?
I think I'm just speaking out loud, don't worry.
Okay.